Happy New Year, everyone. I'm working on the car again. This time we're working on the back of my beautiful Lexus. Remove what I'm currently doing is I'm preparing the back of the car for something. You know, the Cusco saga is not over yet. And it's really cold out. It's about 32 degrees outside right now. The item I'll be putting in actually reuses these. There's reservations on the bar for these. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to put these on the bar. Here's the bar, here's the hole, there's that. And you utilize the factory bolt that just came off. Now, what is this brace in question? Well, this is the Cusco Power Brace. Now what the Power Brace does is that it handles lateral flexibility just like the rest of the braces, but this one also acts like you're stitch welding the frame. Comes with a new pieces. You put the washer on and then this. There you go. Price for this bar I consider a 8 to 9 out of 10. It's only $100. Installation is definitely 10 out of 10. Doesn't take that long. There's another item that I like about this bar. When it goes into the wagon. In the sedan version, this bar is visible when you pop the trunk. But in a wagon, It is completely invisible. Yep, completely invisible. If this was the sedan, you'd pop the trunk, you'd see it. The Cusco saga is not over yet. This is 84 Hachi signing off.